When you hear or read about our GoGo lineup of travel mobility scooters, you'll inevitably come across Feather Touch Disassembly, since that's a common and important feature of all of our GoGo scooters. But what exactly does that phrase mean? In this episode of Mastering Mobility, we'll do a little show and tell. We'll use the GoGo Sport 4-wheel as this example, but you can apply this template across all our GoGo scooters. First, fold down the seat back and lift the seat straight up to remove it from the post. Then, remove the battery pack by lifting up and detaching it from its Velcro holding. Remove the front basket by simply lifting it off the bracket mounts. Next, you'll loosen the delta tiller by turning this knob. Fold down the tiller, tighten the knob, and lock it into place. Finally, gently lift up on this handle, and the front section of the unit will effortlessly separate from the back. And that's it. Your scooter is now separated into 5 pieces, and now you can see why we call it Feather Touch. So to reassemble your scooter, just go in the opposite order. Connect the front and back sections by aligning the green indicators and hook the front end over the back, locking the unit into place. Loosen the tiller knob to return it to your desired angle, retighten the tiller, and turn the front knob back. Replace the front basket by hooking it onto the mounts, secure the battery pack in its original position, insert the seat back into the seat post, and unfold the seat back. That's Feather Touch Disassembly and Reassembly. It's a standard feature on all of our GoGos and can be found on other scooter models along with some power wheelchairs. Happy traveling, and see you next time on Mastering Mobility.